Inside app.js, we're seeing a different kind of syntax. This bit of code also creates a React element, but it's using a syntax extension to JavaScript, which is called JSX. As you can probably tell, this looks a lot cleaner and readable. So let's refactor our newly created React element to use JSX. Syntax-wise, it's really similar to plain JavaScript. So just open up h1 tags and type in hello world. Save it. And the result on our page hasn't changed one bit. Under the hood, create React app is transpiling JSX element to React elements with the help of transpiler called Babel. If you're interested how the transpiling works, I will provide a link below and you can read more about it if you like. JSX also fully supports JavaScript, so you can embed expressions inside of it. Let's create a simple function which will just return the current date. Inside of it, create a date object. And let's just return the current date. Okay, so we can refer to this function inside our greeting variable. JSX uses a special kind of syntax which let the JSX parser know that it needs to interpret JavaScript expressions instead of a string. And let's just type in current date and use this special syntax, which is just the curly braces. And let's refer to the function here. Save it. And our page is now rendering the current date. Awesome. Also, if you're interested, this is just known as an arrow function. So essentially, it's identical to this kind of syntax. Again, the end result hasn't changed at all. So congratulations on using JSX the first time.